Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Mazda CX-9. We're going to start right away up front before we take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside cloth interior. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family to ride comfortably. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust on the back. Taking a look in the hatch. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio and cruise controls are mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.